Well, moving
the
on
case.
from here. What were the topics you had for today?
All right, so back to the notes list. So we were talking last time about HTTPS.
Yeah, because I just learned that that means secure.
Yeah, so the HT is so when you go onto a website, you usually put on www dot whatever whatever,
Yeah.
and then it automatically adds in once you hit enter the HTTP protocol.
Okay.
Well, I mean P means protocol. So HTTP is essentially the language of how it reads or how the computer reads stuff. It's like all there's. I'm not going to get into it. Right.
Okay.
So it's essentially just it stands for hypertext transfer protocol, like something like that. And but when you have the S added to it, the S means it's secure, and what that means is that there's a certificate on the server side that is acknowledging that there is a secure connection between you and the client, you and the server that you are connecting to.
As in that it's verified as you're accessing it.
Yeah. So
Okay.
when you see that HTTPS, you can be sure that it has a certificate, which
It's just good.
yeah, it kind of adds legitimacy to the site that you're on. It's
Cool.
not 100% guaranteed to save you from any bad sites, but
It's a good sign, and it's
yeah,
an interesting fact to know, something I never knew.